Hello, I'm speaking with you today on behalf of the iEARN-USA community, the educators and the students that we serve. Over the last several weeks, we've seen our educational system turned upside down. Teachers and students have rapidly shifted to virtual classrooms. Parents have stepped in as assistant teachers and tutors, and study abroad programs have been cut short or canceled. Today, as we have for over 30 years, iEARN-USA stands with the learning community, teachers, students, and families. iEARN-USA continues to support over 140 foreign exchange students who are still on program in the U.S. We're working closely with the U.S. Department of State, foreign embassies, and our country partners to monitor travel restrictions and coordinate a safe return home for these students as soon as we possibly can, using iEARN-USA's expertise in virtual cultural exchanges and online learning. Our team is working closely with our consortium partners to develop a virtual exchange experience for students whose study abroad language programs were canceled. Students will connect online with language instructors to learn one of 4 targeted languages. In addition, they'll engage with their peers in the U.S. and abroad to explore cultures and build friendships. iEARN-USA is committed to helping classrooms adjust to our new norms. We've provided free access to teachers and students to iEARN projects and our Collaboration Center, our safe and secure online platform. We've launched a weekly webinar series with activities, tips, and tools for creating an engaging online experience, and have broadly shared resources like our video conferencing guide and our teacher's guide to online collaboration and global projects. iEARN-USA has also facilitated opportunities for teachers to connect with one another and share best practices. As we've witnessed with COVID-19, global education has neither boundaries nor borders. This crisis has illuminated the need for people coming together across cultures, languages, and international borders. For over 30 years, iEARN-USA has been connecting and learning with the world and preparing the next generation of leaders who will tackle our world's problems with the goal of improving the quality of life on this planet. In this time of uncertainty, there's a fundamental truth that gives us hope, that together we can do extraordinary things. This truth is the reason behind the unprecedented call to action for Giving Tuesday Now, a response to the ongoing global pandemic that asks each of us to stand together for a day of global unity and giving. Join us at iEARN-USA as we stand together with the learning community. With your support, we will continue to provide fundamental resources to teachers, students, and parents. Thank you for your kindness and your generosity. Be well and stay safe.